We're going to use tomatillos for this recipe. And in case you're not familiar with them, they come with a husk, all right? And they're sticky. So I'm going to use 8. I'm going to peel them and wash them and put them in a pot. So I husk them, wash them, and put them in this pot with 3 garlic cloves, okay? I smash them and put some water in here, and now I'm gonna boil this for 10 minutes until the tomatillos change color. I'll come back and show you, and we'll continue with our pozole. I'm also gonna use 3 poblano chilies. I'm simply gonna stem them, and I'm gonna get rid of the seeds inside. I'm adding a whole jalapeño to this. This is optional. You can also use serrano. I want the heat. All I'm gonna do is stem this and half it. I'm gonna leave the seeds in it because I want my soup to be spicy. Again, optional. We'll use the little end also, don't throw that out. So I'm just gonna coarsely chop this, into big chunks. This will make it easier to blend. See how these are no longer bright green? They're also soft, but I didn't cook them until they got destroyed. They're ready. I'm gonna blend that tomatillo and the garlic with the poblanos I showed you, the jalapeño, about 1/4 of a white onion. I have about 1 cup of cilantro, leaves and stems. Don't get rid of the stems, those are great. They have a lot of flavor. And about 1 cup of parsley leaves, no stems. And about 1 cup of pumpkin seeds, pipits. You can use raw or you can use roasted, it's fine. I'm gonna work in batches because as you can see, the blender's not that big. And then once it's all blended, I'm gonna set it aside. I will use 1 cup of the water that the tomatillos cooked in and 1 cup of vegetable broth. And I'm using my homemade vegetable broth. You can use store-bought, that's fine. I'll put the link right here so you can see how to make this if you want to. I'm gonna heat a little oil in this pot. I'm just using avocado oil. And I'm going to add 2 8-ounce containers of mushrooms. I had baby bellas and white mushrooms, which I sliced thinly, okay? We want to cook these for about 10 minutes until the mushrooms release their liquid and it starts evaporating and they start browning. I will stir them occasionally, okay? You can see there that the mushrooms are nicely starting to brown and there's no more liquid. We will continue now. I'm going to now add our green sauce. We want to cook this about 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to season with salt and pepper. We will taste it and see if we need to adjust the salt again after it's done. Cover your pot because it will splatter, guys, okay? All right, so this cooked about 10 minutes. And I'm going to add 3 more cups of vegetable broth. And a 25-ounce or 1 pound and 9 ounces or 709 gram drain can of hominy. All right, we'll cook it for about another 10 minutes and it's ready to serve. Taste the salt. It's perfect. This, my friends, is ready. Let's serve it. One more little taste for salt. Oh, it's delicious. We're gonna serve our pozole today with some radish, some nicely chopped white onion, some avocado, and cilantro. You can also add, iceberg lettuce shredded or cabbage, but this is how I want to eat it today. Don't forget your lime wedges on the sides. I really, really wish you could smell this. I know I say this to you guys all the time, but oh my gosh. Here we go. Let's dig in. Oh my shoe. Wow. Wow, wow. Really, really nice. I hope you guys give this a try. You're not gonna miss the meat. I promise you, it's delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.